What is going on? Frog Flags here. I'm coming at you with a brand new video. We're just looking for animals and stuff. It's I mean, you don't have to watch it if you don't want to, but whatever. Y'all, I'm gonna get a big stick and look. There's like a pile of leaves, so I'm gonna get those and look in it with the big stick. You gotta watch where you're stepping.
No, that's not good enough. This is.
It's strong enough. That's too big. I think you know. Yeah, I'm gonna go back now. You're scared of spiders. Yeah. This place is infested with them.
Day. Look at my phone. You can see the clouds like so good.
It's so nice out. Okay, we're gonna look in these leaves.
Look over here.
Okay. Bullfrog. Just kidding. I'll be back with you guys. Ah, and I just gotta look at how big this hole is. It's huge. Here, look from here. Can't see it that well, I don't think. Okay, we're gonna go over to another pile of these that looks more trusty. Yeah. See if there's any animals with that. Dude, I wanna know what's in that hole. And later today, I might give you guys a video if I can go to the Big PX or something, where there's a hole that's like 5 feet deep, not that big, but then it goes down forever. It's like a cave.
Oh, let's go there.
Might not be able to. Hopefully, though. Forget it. This is a church.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just doing it.
Hey, I'm gonna do more stuff with that hole. I don't know, something.
You know, we saw a baby like frog.
Yeah, somewhere. But I mean, it's California, so.
Oh, it might be a toad. I don't know.
Toad, frog. There's big holes everywhere, but then there's this giant hole. Dude, hold on. Yo. Dude. Touching it. I think I just poked an animal. I felt it like, you know, like whenever you poke like your dog or something. I don't know, it felt small like a something hairy. Dude, that was
Coyote probably.
Oh crap. Well, if it's a coyote, it'd be hissing and stuff. They go like,
Look for those frogs.
Oh yeah, guys, you asked me to do a Q&A at 60 subs, and I'm at 60 subs. So
I'll do a Q&A with them.
Yeah, I'll do a Q&A, and I'm getting Instagram, so check that out. You know, my YouTube, it'll be Frog Flags YouTube. You know, so that's coyote crap.
We never saw it before.
That's fresh.
There you go.
Everything's getting kind of sketchy right now.
Yeah.
My mom is doing a broadcast in 8 minutes on iTunes. My mom's Lacey O Photography. She's a photographer. Oh, dude, my mom was on a magazine.
Really?
Mm-hmm. It's getting pretty cool.
So she's starting in 8 minutes?
Yeah.
I should watch her.
On iTunes?
Yeah.
It's a broadcast. You can't watch her.
Oh. How do I watch it?
You can't.
Why?
Because it's a broadcast. You don't watch people on broadcasts.
It's a broadcast.
It's like listening. And it's about business.
What should we listen
Like
to?
photography business.
I know.
Huh. The new park isn't new anymore. Whoa. We both fell down a hole. Okay, I'll be back with you guys. Where are we going?
I don't know. Over here. Perfect spot over there.
One more back over here. Look at how beautiful this is. I might miss California. I am. But I'm actually looking forward to moving to Virginia.
Over here, dude.
Oh, sweet.
How did we not see that?
I'm going to make a good video of moving across the U.S.
Same.
I'm going to show you all the hotels we go to and stuff, crap like that. You know, fun stuff. Oh, wait. This is that leave that nothing is ever in, though. The rough stuff. Everything's always worth a try except for bad stuff. Like
Snakes.
I love snakes.
The snakes that could kill you, I'm talking about.
So that's still cool. You
Did you
afraid
see
of those?
that? I saw something up there. Could be.
Welcome to California, where you think there's things, but it's almost never anything. Where is it?
Rabbit.
I hate rabbits right now.
Rabbit.
You know, I think I could. Are you serious? Is that my basketball that Chasey left again?
Looks like it.
Well, it looks like my good old sister who said I don't have to worry about her losing my basketball happened to lose it. Thank God we came down here. She's in her room. Thank God we came down here.
Yeah.
That would have sucked to lose. I mean, it's a trashy basketball, but still, I like it. Because it's soft.
This is Casey.
Well, that's all for now, I guess. I did stung by a
Find my
wasp.
birthmark.
Oh, Target. That's all for this video. We're going to try figuring out what to do for the Q&A, I guess. I'm thinking I can get an app, but at the same time, I have to be recording. So, yeah. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share if you want. I told you guys I'd be posting more videos now that I'm into 2.0. Frog Flags, where I made my intro. My intro is pretty cool. I'm proud of it. And, yeah, don't forget to watch that. Peace.